Good morning, dear children. Are you all ready for today's class? Get ready with your maths book. Okay, in today's class, we are going to start new chapter, that is more on division. Okay, kindly open your maths book, page number 87, and the name of the chapter is more on division. Okay, our previous chapter was chapter 8, division. Now here little more we are going to see, or more details we are going to study about division. Okay, till now I hope you all have learned the tables, because students, till now you have understood that in multiplication and division tables are must. Okay, so I always used to keep saying that learn the tables. Now in this chapter we will see division with regrouping. Okay, till now we were doing simple division. Now in this chapter we will learn division with regrouping. Okay, so let us start with exercise 9a. Now here comes question number 1. Here we will divide and check the answer also in question. So let's do 252. Now this is your dividend and this is your divisor. Okay, as now dividend is of 2 digit, ones and tens, and divisor is of 1 digit. So let us take 1 digit first, the number which is in tens place, and that is 5. So let us see 5 in 2's table. Now when you will see the table, you will recite the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, as you can see here, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now students, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and here the number is 5. Now now we got the number 6 here, and 6 is more than 5. So what we will see? We will see the number which is less than 5. Okay, so that is here 4. Now how many times 4 is multiplied in 2's table? That is 2. 2 twos are 4. So we will do here 2 and 4 will be here below tens place. Okay. Now in division we used to subtract the number. Now 4 from 5, that is 1. Now here 1 we are 1 and here 2, and our dividend should always be greater than the divisor. So let us take this 2 also. Okay. Now 12 in 2's table. Recite the table of 2 and get how many times does 12 multiply in 2's table? That is 2 6 are 12 minus 0 0. Okay. Now to check the answer. Okay. Now check the answer. Now to check the answer, what we have to do? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now here your dividend is, we know that your dividend is 52. Okay. Now divisor, your divisor is 2. Put the multiplication sign. Quotient is 26. Plus the remainder which you got is 0 0. So put here 0. Now do the multiplication. 2 into 26. 26 multiply 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 52. 52 plus 0 0, that is 52. So your dividend is equal to the answer which we got after solving divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means your answer is correct. Okay. Let us do B, that is 344 divided by 3. Okay. Now here we will has our dividend is of 2 digit, that is 44, ones and tens place, and divisor of 1 digit. So we will take 1 digit first, and the number which is in tens place is 4. Now we have to see 4 in 3's table. So let us see. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now here 6, that is more than 4. Okay, so what we will do? We will see the number which is less than 4. Okay, and that is here 3. And that multiplies how many times? 1 time. So 3 ones are 3. Here minus. Now 3 from 4, that is 1. Now take the next number also, because our dividend should be always greater than the divisor. To take here 4. Now we have to see 14 in 3's table. Let us continue. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now here 15, that is greater than 14. So what we will do, we will see the number which is less than 14. And before 15, what comes here? 12. And that is 3 into 4. That means how many times 12 multiplies? 4 in 3's table, 3 4s are 12. So 4 here and 12 downside. Now again do the subtraction. 0, 2 from 4, 2. Now no number is there to do division, to carry the division forward. So we will stop here only. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to check the answer. Same process. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So your dividend, which is your dividend here? That is 44. Equal to divisor. Your divisor is here 3. Into quotient is 14. Plus here remainder we got here 2. So 2. Now 14 into 3. 14 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry over. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So 42 plus 2. When you will add 42 plus 2, you will get answer 44. So your dividend is equal to the number which you got after the multiplication of divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means your answer is correct. Okay. Now let us see question number 2. Division of 3 digit number. 2 526. Okay. Now here also we will follow the same process, as our dividend also is of 3 digit, ones, tens and 100, and divisor is of only 1 digit. So let us take the 1 digit first, that is in hundreds place, and that is 5. Now 5 in 2's table, as we have seen here already. Here 6, that is greater than 5. So we will take the number which is less than 5, and that is 4. And 4 is multiplying 2 into 2 equal to 4. That means 2 times. So 2 here and 4 here. Now minus 1 here. Take this 2 also here. Now 12 in 2's table, that is 6. So 12 minus 0. Now take the next number that is in 1's place. That is 6. Now 6 in 2's table. 2 3s are 6. So 3 minus 6, 0, 0. So here is the answer. Okay. (194) divide 3. Okay. Now 194 divide. Here also how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. 1, 2 and 3. Ones, tens and 100. Now if we will take the one digit that is in 100 place, 1, it could not be divided by 3, because our dividend should be always greater than the divisor. So we will take 2 digit here, that is 19. Let us take 19. Now we have to see 19 in 3's table. Till here we have done 3 into 5, 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. Now if we 21 here, that means it is greater than 19. 21 is greater than 19. So we have to see the number which is less than 19. Okay, and that is 18, and it goes 6 times in 3's table. So 3 6s are 18. Now put the minus sign. 0, 8 from 9, that is 1. Take the next number 4. Now 14 in 3's table. Again if we will see 3 5s are 15, that is more than 14. So we will see the less number, smaller than 14, that is 12, and it goes 4 times in 3's table. So 3 4s are 12. Now do the minus. 0 and 2. So here is the answer. Okay. So students, in this way you have to do the division. Now let us take from here. Let us take question number 3. A, that is 42 divide 3. So 3 will be your divisor and 42 will be your dividend. Okay. Now again 4 in 3's table, has 3 2s are 6. So we will take 3 ones are 3 minus 3 from 1, that is 3 from 4, that is 1. Take the another number 2. Now 12 in 3's table, 3 4s are 12 minus 0, 0. Okay, in this way you have to do. Question number 4a, 53 divide, all are of 2 only. Let's take some bigger number, 75. Okay, let's do 75. 75 divide 6. Okay, same process. 6 will be your divisor, 75 will be your dividend. Now 7 in 6 table, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Now 12 is greater than 7. So what we will take? Small number, that is 6. So 6 ones are 6 minus 6 from 7, that is 1. Take this 5 also. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Okay, now 18 is greater than 15. So what we have to do? We have to see the number which is smaller than 15 or less than 15. That is 12, and it goes 2 times in 6 table. So 6 twos are here 12 minus 0 and 3. Here your division will be stopped, because dividend which we got is 3 and that is less than our divisor and no other number is to add. So division will be stopped here only. Okay. Let us do question number 10a. 42 16 divide by 6. Okay, so 6 42 1 6. Okay, now here 6 again. Now if how many digits are there? 4 digits are there. 1 2 3 4. So we will take the digit which is in thousands place, that is 4. But dividend should be always greater than the divisor, and 4 is smaller than 6. So what we have to do? We have to take 2 digit here. So we will take 42 here. Now 42 in 6 table. Let us continue. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. Okay. Now 42 in 6 table, that is 7 times it is going. 6 7s are 42. So 7 here and 42 here. Now minus 0 0. Now again if we will take 1 here, 1, and it is less than 6. So what we will do? We will take this next number also 2 digits. So 16. Now 16 in 6 table, as 18 is more than 16. 18 is more than 16. So we will see the number which is less than 16, and that is 12, and it is going 2 times. So 6 twos are 12 minus 0, 2 from 6, that is 4. Okay. So here is the division. Now let us see one more. Let us do 81 divide 9. Okay. Now 9 is your divisor and 8,181 is your dividend. Okay. Now if we will take 8, the only one digit we will take, that is less than 9, and our dividend should be always greater than the divisor. So let us take this 2 digit 81. Now if we will recite the table of 9, you will see 9 9s are 81 minus 0 0. Now here also you have to take 81 because 8 will be less than 9. Again 9 9s are 81 minus 0 0. So here is the answer. Okay, so in the same process you have to do all the division. Let's do even more. 4850 divide 5. Okay, now 5 will be your divisor and 4850 will be your dividend. Okay, now same here also we will take 2 digit, because if we will take the 1 digit, that is in thousands place 4. So 4 will be less than 5. So both digit we will take, means 2 digit, that is 48. Now 48 in 5's table has 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. 50 is more than 48. So we will see the number which is less than 48. And that is 5 9s are 45 minus. Now 0, 5 from 8, that is 3. Now 3, as it is less than 5, so we will take the next number also, 5. Now 35 in 5 table, 5 7s are 35 minus 0, 0. Now for this 0, put 1 0 in the quotient and 0 in the remainder. So here is the answer. Okay. So students, in this way you have to do the division of exercise 9A. Now here comes division by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. It's so simple, as you can see here. Do this quickly. This can the zeros in the divisor help in getting the answer. Okay, as you can see here, 2567 divide 10. How we will do with example? Let us do 2567 divide 10. Okay, now this will here quotient and here remainder. Okay, as you can see, how many 0 is in tens? That is 1 0. So 1 0, take the last digit 7 as your remainder and the remaining number has quotient. Okay, this will help you to do quickly only the division of 10, 100 and 1000. Now suppose 2567 divide 100. Okay, now how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. 2. So take last 2 digit has remainder, that is 67, and remaining has quotient, and that is 25. Okay, now 2567 divide 1000. Now how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So take last 3 digit, that is 567 has remainder and your quotient will be 2. So this will help you fast to solve the division of 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, as you can see here also it is given, see. 47 divide 10. As you can see, (47) divide 10. Okay, your quotient and remainder. Now, how many 0? 1 0. So take the last digit as remainder and the remaining quotient, that is 4. Okay. 564 divide 100. Let us do one more of 10. So last 2 digit, last 2 zeros are there in 100. So take last 2 digit, that is 64 will be your remainder and the remaining number will be your quotient, that is 5. Now if you will take 5379 divide 1000. Okay, so 3 0. Take the last 3 digit, that is 379 will be your remainder and 5 will be your quotient. Okay. Same process you have to follow for 630 divide 100. 2 0, last 2 digit, that is 30 will be your remainder and the remaining number 6 will be your quotient. Okay. 8652 divide 1000. So 3 zeros are there. So take last 3 digit, 1, 2, 3. 652 will be your remainder and 8 will be your quotient. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Okay student, so practice exercise 9A, book note and copy note I will provide you. So and more divisions are given there, more sums, more practice. Okay, and learn the tables. As I told, tables are must for division and multiplication. So exercise till 9A and this 9B also students, it is dividend. This also you can do. Let us do this in our next class. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you.